Welcome back. We're getting in news about the film, that has run into some controversy because of the income tax raids that has been happening over the cast and crew's residences. Fans of movie star Vijay has started now pelting stones at buses in Madurai after theatres in Tamil Nadu cancelled the morning show of the film called Puli. In fact, protests have even broken out. The efforts are still going on to ensure that the film is screened by the afternoon. Let's go straight to our correspondent Shrisha, who joins us with the very latest. So Shrisha, some angry scenes that we can see on the roads as a result of the cancellation of the morning shows. What are you hearing from the film producers?
Well, Avantika, the first show of the film is being screened at 11:30, and fans have been waiting here since early this morning because remember the early morning shows were slated for 4 a.m. and 5 a.m. and now fans are here finally. Because of the income tax raids, the producers were not able to move the last-minute funds, because of which there was a delay in the release of the film. Having said that, the company Cube, in fact the industry sources have been saying that they are the ones who have to clear the digital streaming of the film Puli. It is a fantasy film of the Tamil star Vijay, and now the film is releasing at 11:30. So of course this is a joyous moment for fans. The frenzied fans have been waiting here early this morning. So this is the crowd right at the Kasi Theatre in Chennai. Our fans will be watching the first show of the actor at 11:30 a.m. Avantika.
Now I can see, there's palpable excitement there and a lot of, anticipation about the film. What's it about? Shrisha, have you been able to speak to the fans? If you could just tell us a little bit more about the popularity that Vijay enjoys in Tamil Nadu, and what do the fans have to say about all of those income tax raids that have been going on? Are they affected in any way?
Well, the only thing that, if we ask fans what they are affected because of this, because of the early cancellation of the early morning show. So that has left fans very disappointed, who have been waiting here early this morning, for the release of the film. The film is finally releasing. So how excited are you about it?
What?
The film is finally releasing.
Yeah, I'm so excited. People are very much excited.
So are you affected with the income tax rate? Do you think that is the reason why there is a delay in the film? The income tax rate
That is not at all matter. That is not at all matter. This is a separate issue. Film. It's a film releasing day. That is other matter.
So very evidently fans here, they want the film to be released. So that is what matters for the fans. And Vijay enjoys a popularity. In fact, a lot of fans from young children, because we did see young children who thronged the theatre early this morning for the early morning show. That is quite surprising. There are a lot of young people here, and college students who have bunked their colleges to come here to get the glimpse of what this film is going to be all about, because the trailers that came out had huge followers on YouTube and social networking sites. In fact, on the day when the trailer came out. So yes, of course, this is a testimony to the popularity that Vijay enjoys in Tamil Nadu.
All right, Shrisha, as you were, rightly pointing out, we can see, so many people lining up there to catch a glimpse of their superstar Vijay, whose film Puli releases. We are seeing, visuals of that film that's going to be released now. The first show, in fact, will take place at 11:30 in the morning. Shrisha, I'll have to wrap it here right now. Thank you so much for joining us and speaking to fans. Obviously, fans completely unaffected with the ongoing income tax raids at the residences of, the lead actors. They are only just, wanting to get to see the film that has already generated much excitement.